Have you ever wondered how landmark judgments shape the criminal procedure code? These powerful rulings are not just verdicts, but tools that shape, mold, and define our criminal procedure code. They establish important legal principles, clarify procedural rules, and sculpt the criminal justice system. Like an artist chiseling away at a block of marble, these judgments breathe life into the law, refining and redefining it with every strike. Now let's delve into some case studies of landmark judgments and their impact. In 1962, the K.M. Nanavati vs. State of Maharashtra case changed the course of criminal trials in India. This case revolved around naval officer K.M. Nanavati, charged with the murder of his wife's lover. The jury, influenced by media sensationalism and public sympathy, acquitted him. However, the presiding judge, suspecting bias, referred the case to the High Court. The High Court overturned the jury's verdict, convicting Nanavati of murder. This case exposed the vulnerabilities of jury trials, leading to their abolition in India. Instead, the concept of a bench trial by judges was introduced, reducing the chance of bias and ensuring a more objective evaluation of evidence. This case was a turning point in the way justice was administered in the country. The 1978 case of Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India had a profound impact on constitutional law. This landmark case came into the limelight when Maneka Gandhi's passport was impounded by the government in the public interest. The case centered around the interpretation of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which guarantees the right to life and personal liberty. The Supreme Court in this case expanded the scope of Article 21, stating that the right to life and personal liberty cannot be deprived without just, fair, and reasonable procedure. This judgment emphasized the importance of procedural fairness in criminal proceedings and set a new standard for due process. This judgment served to fortify the rights of individuals, extending the reach of justice. Through these case studies, we can see how landmark judgments have shaped the criminal procedure code. The case of K.M. Nanavati v. State of Maharashtra, for instance, forever changed the face of the Indian judicial system by abolishing jury trials and introducing bench trials. Then there's the Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India case, which expanded the scope of Article 21, emphasizing the need for procedural fairness in criminal proceedings. These judgments, along with others like Vishaka v. State of Rajasthan and Yoginder Kumar v. State of UP, have not only clarified procedural rules but also established important legal principles. They've played a vital role in shaping our criminal justice system and ensuring that the Criminal Procedure Code is interpreted and applied in a way that upholds justice, fairness, and constitutional rights. Landmark judgments serve as a guiding light, illuminating the path that criminal law follows, ensuring justice and fairness are upheld.